Imagine entering a blank page and just by typing a simple sentence like, create a responsive login form with purple color, a complete piece of HTML and CSS code appears for you. No need to install VS Code, no need to search for libraries or templates. You can build amazing websites super fast, and there's no need to do many of the tasks yourself websites like Amazon. But how? Many people know Canva just for designing posters and slides, but now, with the addition of the AI Code Writer feature, or Magic Code, feature it has taken a step into the world of programming. You can design a component, like a button, form, or tab, and with a simple language description, it gives you code that not only looks right, but is actually usable. One key difference from chatbots, like ChatGPT, is that it can directly insert the output into your Canva project or let you export it for use on your website. This means combining graphics and code, all without leaving the Canva environment. Is it free? To some extent, yes. If you're a Canva user, you can use this feature a few times, especially if you're on the free plan. But for continuous and professional use, you'll need a Pro account. In the Pro version, besides unlimited code generation, you also get access to other smart tools like Magic Design. Another interesting point is that this tool is very useful for designers who don't want to deal with the complexities of coding, or even for developers who want to quickly build a prototype. For content creators too, it's a fast way to create an attractive part of a website without needing anyone's help. So if you've only seen Canva as a design tool until now, it's time to get familiar with its AI features too. Maybe next time, your page will be ready without writing even a single line of code. Do you think this tool could replace developers? Write in the comments, and let's talk more.